Hello everyone and welcome back to the show. Today on your daily starter, I've got a good one for you, right? I want us to talk about the urgent, the important work, and the need for you to get in better control of your own agenda. Okay, let's talk about the urgent, the important, and the need for you to set your own agenda. Hello friend, this is the voice of Ademola Morebise. Hello friend, I want you to take a look at your schedule. Take a look at your to-do list. Oh, you haven't got a to-do list? Well, that's a serious problem. You should fix that, right? Generally, when you look at your to-do list, you should be able to look at that list and identify what are the urgent things on that list and what is truly important on that list of yours, right? What is urgent, what is important, and how much control do you have over your own to-do list? How much control do you have over your own agenda? Right? For a lot of our younger viewers out there, you might not have so much control over your agenda. You might not have so much control over your to-do list, right? I mean, if you are working for someone somewhere, right? You are an intern, an apprentice, or a student or whatever, then there's a great chance that your daily to-do is heavily influenced by others. And that's okay. That's okay. It's not a crime, right? But over time, you should be able to mature into the kind of person that is able to increasingly set their own agenda and enforce their own agenda. You have to understand that if you are serious about a life of massive success, you want to succeed beyond the ordinary, you want to succeed beyond the average kind of success, you have to understand that there will be a need for you to become the kind of person that can set your own agenda and enforce the same. You know, a lot of people out there, they say they want to be an entrepreneur, they want to do their own thing, they want to start an NGO, they want to do, they want to write a book and things like that. But a lot of times they fail to get the project off ground, right, after several years. And the reason is simple, right? They've not developed the kind of maturity, right? They've not developed the kind of capacity, right? The kind of maturity and capacity that is required so that you can get up in the morning and say, these are the top 5 things I need to accomplish today so that my long-term goals can be accomplished, right? They cannot, they can't relate, right? When they told themselves, I'm going to get the first draft of my book will be ready by January, right? When they said that, then they set that goal, they failed to, to really put in the work, put in the effort, and hold themselves accountable enough in order to get it done, right? I mean, it's so bad that nowadays people brag that they need accountability partners, that they cannot succeed by simply setting an agenda and keeping their own word. They can't. So they look for accountability partners all over the place, right? And these accountability partners, right, there's even a limit and an extent to which they can actually hold you accountable, isn't it? So eventually you have to understand that every single day, things that are urgent will flood your decks, right? I mean, you receive it, urgent things. Help me check this out. Help me submit this file. Help me proofread this. Help me do this. Urgent, right? A lot of urgent requests will come to you every single day, but you have to understand the need for you to balance the urgent with the important based on your long-term goals. So you sit down at some point and tell yourself, in 10 years' time, these are the things I need to have gotten done in my life, right? And so this year, the most important thing I need to do this year is so. A lot of times, the things that are really, really important, they don't appear urgent, right? So you could do them sometimes or never, right? But you have to discipline yourself. You have to take yourself to that level whereby you are able to understand clearly that on today's agenda, today's to-do list, there are 17 things I need to do today. Out of these 17 things, 12 of them are urgent, but they are not important. The ones that are important to my life, my destiny, and my future are these 3 things. And so, as I begin to tick off the urgent things one by one, I must never forget to also tick off these important things I need to do. If you can balance your portfolio of the things that are urgent and the things that are really important to your life, your destiny, your future, if you can balance it, you realize that, as time progresses, as you go through life, right, you have fewer and fewer regrets, or oh no, I should have gotten this done, that won't happen anymore, right? Because now you've learned how to really, really integrate the important things into your agenda, and gradually you begin to set your own agenda. And if you're going to become a person that is super successful, I'm talking of massive success, You must understand how to set your own agenda and drive your own agenda every single day. So when the whole world drops there are things for you to do, no problem. You can take it on, right? But then you also look out for yourself and know this is the agenda. This is what is important. This is what I need to get done. So don't take up all the time with the things that are urgent. If you do so, you realize that you are making a lot of sense today, but in the passing of time, you realize, wow, you did not get this done. You failed on this. You didn't do this. So it piles up and really it becomes really ugly situation. So you want to avoid all of that by learning how to combine these things together and driving your own agenda. If you always need somebody to set your agenda for you, man, you cannot be an effective leader, right? You can't lead effectively, and you can't pioneer things. You can't lead projects. Okay, you have to understand the need for you to take ownership of the things you have and set your own agenda and drive your own agenda, and always make sure to look out for what is important and ensure that the important things are being done before it becomes an ugly situation. Why don't you repeat after me this morning? Say, God daily loads me with benefits. I am bold and strong. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. My name is Ademola Morebise. Thank you so much for taking our time to check out this video. Remember, you can lead a formidable life. Have a great day.